reaching FDC4 production, the channel that is here looking for intel to give back to the community, the working class community, the low income community that are in need for things that may change or make an impact in their lives. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for providing support. Thank you for your unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for sticking around. This channel always gonna be around to provide you something powerful, which is information. Information used to be withheld by a chunk of elite people back in the times, but those are things of the past. Today technology is in our side, and we can actually take advantage of such to get access to those type of information that may help us to become better in every field, in every corner of our lives. There is no excuse. There is no excuse to learn a new skill. You can actually find it. You can learn anything. Just gotta go YouTube and you'll find it, anything. Ignorance is an illness, but at the same time, it's an illness that has cure. And now you can actually get curated yourself. You can cure yourself by seeking, by searching, by clicking, by taking the time and going out there and looking for answers that may diminish that infection that is in your system called ignorance. It is in everyone's, including myself. It is a normal human thing. Do not be ashamed of it. Now, if you don't do anything about it, then things are different. But you gotta work it out. Today I wanna actually share the thing that you like the most. Another NFT airdrop. Monies. 100 NFT for 100 lucky winners. Mind you, this type of NFT I actually bring it because many people, because the supply and demand. And also I know that if you build a good portfolio of NFTs, you are investing for the future. And doing this for free is a very smart thing to do. You don't have to risk your money, you don't have to risk anything. Just earn as much NFT you can from the airdrops that I bring you, build your portfolio, and the sky is the limit. I also do it with crypto, with tokens, and all this type of stuff. I actually bring it to you as many times as I can, as long as they are available. But most likely my intent is to bring more about education. Things that might improve you as a professional that you can learn from. Things that actually might help you to seek out a verified way that you can make more money. But this channel is voluntarily looking for stuff for free that you can take advantage in every single way. It doesn't matter. And here's one of them. Let's actually start. What is Mones Airdrop? How to participate? What is Mones? Right here. Mones is a new generation MMORPG, MMORP game or BNB chain, where you not only enjoy the exciting gameplay, but also connect with other players through social features and earn long-term profits from a player-driven economy called Play on Earn. I gotta tell you, that thing about Play on Earn is becoming big. You have to actually get into this and try to figure it out a way that you can profit, make a business or a living out of it. Gotta tell you, it's a lot of lucrative way of making money online nowadays. I am not a financial advisor. I am not an airdrop NFT advisor. I'm not a play on or earn advisor. I just giving you ideas that I believe it could be good, but you have to do your own due diligence. I make you responsible on that, or look for an advisor, a professional advisor that can help you there. Okay. I hope that this information still is beneficial for you and your and the one that you love the most, and give it a check. Take advantage of that. Two, Mones Airdrop campaign is $50,000 worth NFT airdrops. Please follow the step below to be lucky winners to the by the book. You jump one of these and you may be left out. You have to install Ozalos wallet for Android right here, and for Apple the one below. But this is the wallet. I'm actually trying to bring it up so you see it. This is the Ozalos NFT game wallet. Okay. Their mission is to bring blockchain to everyone with ease, fun, and friendliness. With Oxalo Wallet, your account on all devices is synchronized and data is transferred within seconds. By using, you have access to display of your NFT games in an intuitive and interactive ways. Remember, that's why the Mones Airdrop is coming. I want you to open this because you can actually display your NFT games. You see the connection now? Okay, I hope you got that. Now, that was for the Android that I show you. For the app is the one right here below. And now we're going to step number 2. Add Mones as your coin market cap watch list. That's a self-explanatory. Come on, guys. You go to coinmarketcap.com/currency/Mones. And this is what you're gonna see. Very simple. You click in here, add to your main watch list. Alright? But before we leave, let's actually check a little bit more about Mones. What is Mones? Mones is a new generation P2E RPG game where you not only enjoy the exciting gameplay but also connect with other players through social features and earn long-term profit from a player-driven economy. This is exactly the same thing I explained it to you before, but in a different wording. I hope that you get it. You got it either way. What's there in the Mones ecosystem? Mones game. Mones is a hero collecting RPG where you collect over 200 hero characters, turn them into skilled warriors through training, then fight in PvE, PvP battles to take over the kingdom. Mones Marketplace. Mones Marketplace is a decentralized NFT marketplace that allow you to exchange and rent all Mones NFT items. Now you know why I'm telling you that you gotta get involved with this, because there could be a way that you can make a living, but you have to do your due diligence. Money DAOs. Mones will apply DAO, which is decentralized autonomous organizations model for governance. When staking dollars, monies, tokens, or NFTs to the profit sharing pool, users will receive rewards tokens and V-Mones, the token that grants you the right to submit and vote on proposals to develop the Mones ecosystem. Who is the team behind Mones? Mones is a collaborative product of an international team including Neol Entertainment, which is Korea leading game studio, and Mones team of seasoned blockchain engineers. Furthermore, Mones is incubated by Santos, which is blockchain startup incubator that has supported many successful projects. I am not, well, let me see. What makes Mones unique? social features, player driving economy, and cinematic motion graphic. I'm gonna leave it up to this point because the goal of this video is not to make it too long, but this topic was something I really didn't want to leave behind, so you have an idea what is this project about and you learn more about it. For more, I'm gonna put the URL of this main page so you actually have an idea, so you can come in here and check it on your own pace. That was step number 2. The one that I was reading the information to was step number 2 for CoinMarketCap watch list, so you can add monies as your watch list if you have CoinMarketCap. If you don't have CoinMarketCap, you can click on here and create your own account. Step number 3, Flow Monies Gravity account. Right there, you gotta go to the Gravity and you gotta, they say flow, but it meant to say follow. Right here, okay? Right there. There you go. Self-explanatory. That was a very easy step. Then you gotta follow Monies in Twitter. Self-explanatory. Everybody that has a Twitter account knows how to do that. I am not gonna go straight to that point because it's self-explanatory. You know what you gotta do. You gotta follow Oxalos on Twitter. You just gotta click these links. Step number 5, Oxalos, and it will take you straight to Twitter. The same thing with Monies Twitter as well, right in here, step 4. Take you straight there and you just follow it. Then you gotta join step number 6, Monies Telegram group, right there. And then you join, you view in Telegram and you actually join. Self-explanatory. Then you do the same thing with Money Discord server. You go to their Discord server. Wow, this is really cool. And then you do your username and create an account and you join them. That's another way of doing it, which is recommendable. Step 9, like Money fan page. You gotta go to Facebook and give them a like. Step number 10, follows Money's Medium. So you gotta go to medium.com and follow them. Okay, right there. See? But since I don't have an account in here, it's gonna be tough. And then step number 11, you gotta subscribe to Money's YouTube. You gotta go to their page of YouTube channel and you gotta subscribe. Self-explanatory. That's an easy one. Step number 12, you gotta retweet their airdrop tweet on Money's Twitter. So you gotta enter your BNB Smart Change BP20 wallet address here. Enter this right here, and the date is June 8, which is already past due, until June 28. You still have like a week, like 5 days, almost a week to do all these and participate. Detailed price is the top 100 random winners who have completed all the required tasks will receive first prize. One is R NFT 5-star, one winner. Second prize will be one R NFT 4 stars, one winner. Third prize, one A NFT 3-star, one winner. And the fourth prize through the 100th prize, because remember it's 100 winners, you're gonna get one B NFT 2 to 3 star each winner, 97 winners. Note, if you are a Money's whitelist holder of INO event, you will have more chance to be selected as an airdrop winner. Join Money's community to update for more information. Winner announcement to be announced through our social channels. Winners will be announced within 7 days after the event ends, which is actually on June 28th. 7 days after that, you're gonna actually get announcement of the winners. If you have any questions about the airdrop campaign, feel free to ask the admin in their Discord and Telegram channel. Simple as that. It doesn't make it nobody. It's really easy, these steps, really nice, and I would recommend you to be part of them because this is the future. I'm telling you, collect them for free. Can't say no to free. Alright, I'm gonna gonna leave it up to this point. Thank you for reaching FDC4 production. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me some likes, because this is voluntary, looking out for stuff for you to become better, to make money, to build your portfolio in every single way, but for free. Have a wonderful day. Next time. Bye-bye.